What is going on, guys? Justin here, and today we're currently headed to the OVO store to check out today's drop. Now, there is something I do have my eye on. Those jeans, those are fire, and maybe we're gonna pick them up, maybe we're not. Probably gonna buy them. Anyways, let's go check it out for ourselves. I'll see you inside. So we got Canada Goose Plus, which is actually opening tomorrow. They sell a bunch of like Jordans, like basically a resale store. Then we got OVO. It's actually really nice. This is the new stuff. This is actually nice. Embroidery right there with the 6. This I'm not a huge fan of. But these are crazy. These are so sick. Not a huge fan of this t-shirt. Not too sure how I feel about the wool. Look, guys, they still have this hat. And they got the new bandanas. How much are these, you know?
I don't know.
Honestly, this store is probably the best in Toronto. Just with this huge bear brick, and the layout is so good, so well done. So well done. I actually didn't mind this collection. I was thinking of picking something up. Maybe if I don't grab these jeans, if they don't fit well, maybe we'll do something from this collection, because I do love this. Alright guys, so the change room is actually now open. It wasn't open for a while because of COVID. Pretty nice. They got the chair there as well. And of course the infamous floors. Here are the jeans. They're actually so nice. As you guys can tell, I do love the monogram print when it's all over. So I do want to try these out. Hopefully they fit well, because I remember the first time OVO dropped jeans, I tried them on and they fit me like just terrible. And they do fit pretty small, so you have to size up 2 inches. It does say that on the size chart. So let's get straight to it. All right, so I think the 36 is just a little bit too big, but they are so sick. Definitely gonna have to take them to my tailor though and get them brought in just a little bit. But they're so sick. So I got the 34 now. I'm gonna try those on. So the size chart was a little weird online. I actually ended up being the 34, which fits more like a 32, 33. And check them out. So they definitely do fit a lot better. As you can see, this, I like the black ones more just because it's more subtle. But then when you get close to it, you can kind of see the details. Again, I still want to bring them in probably a little bit down here. But yeah, they're sick. Definitely worth it in my opinion. I also do like how it doesn't scream OVO as well. It's very low key. Honestly, it reminds me of like the LV monogram denim. Definitely gonna come through and pick these up. So we just finished up over at OVO. What the heck is this wrap? Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys back at home with the review on the jeans, and I'll see y'all then. And we are back from what I would say as a successful trip to OVO. This is like my second thing I've bought all year. Let's not waste any more time and get straight into the bag. As you guys know, we picked up the OVO denim. Getting nice and close so you guys can see the detail on the jeans. Very nice. Check out that tag as well. It is a relaxed fit, so it isn't too slim, which I do like on this pair. They are unfortunately made in China. You would think $200 pants would be made in Canada, but unfortunately not. Check out the back tab right there. Some of the jeans are made in Canada, but this one I'm pretty sure is China. Yeah, it is China. I do want to show you guys the details. October's very own around the buttons, which I really like. And as well as OVO on these small studs, OVO on the top and the bottom. They also are 100% cotton, so they will stretch out over time, which I'd say is a good thing. Honestly, I don't know how to review jeans, but they're a nice pair. I recommend trying them on though first to make sure you like how it fits. That is about it. Just thought I'd pull up the OVO, show you guys what's good. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna get into that vape next. It's gonna be a good month. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.